We're ESTV, and tonight I'm out and about at the Global Family Concert. Many students are just waiting for their chance to be on stage. Let's go have a chat with some of them. What's your name?
Ali,
Which country is your performance from?
China,
Who has come to watch you tonight?
my mom and dad.
Okay, good luck with the show. What's your name?
Yumi, Juliet,
Which country is your performance from?
USA.
Who has come to watch you tonight?
Our mom. Yeah, our mom and dad.
How do you think the show went tonight?
It was good. My shoe didn't fall off like normal, but your shoe normally falls off. No one had a stage fright, at least no one had.
Yeah.
And it was going to.
Okay, well, it seems it went pretty well. What's your name?
Felix,
What country does your performance come from?
Puerto Rico.
Who's come to watch you tonight?
My dad and my two brothers.
How do you think the performance went tonight?
Good. We remembered our steps, and yeah, it was fun.
What's your name?
Miko,
What country does your performance come from?
Ireland,
Who came to watch you tonight?
my mom and dad.
How do you think the performance went tonight?
I think it went well.
Which part did you like the most?
I liked when we all turned to the same direction at the very end of it.
Well, I'm Lenna, and I've been out and about at the Global Family Concert and had a great time. And on behalf of the ESTV crew, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.